Hello guys, in this tutorial you will learn how you can change the app language in the Spotify desktop application to English or to any other language that is supported by Spotify in 2026. So let us guide you through this. So guys, for the sake of this tutorial, let me launch the Spotify app here on my desktop computer with that example account. And you will need to be logged in into your account, of course, and click into your profile icon in the top right. Next, navigate to Settings. Here in your settings, you will see the language tab. Click into the drop-down menu to the right, go through that list and choose the language you would like to go with. I'm going to use English and that's it. So if I switch, for example, to, I don't know, German, as you can see, there's that restart app button. So a restart of the Spotify app may be necessary if you switch the language. Let me switch back to English. That's how it works. Thanks for watching and I'll see you next time.